Good day guys, welcome to our channel. In this one I'm showing you how to set up a Gmail auto forwarding to a new address. Alright, so just let's jump into the desktop dashboard. Just keep in mind that this routing protocol can only be configured via a web browser, not the mobile app. So while you're here, click on the gear icon right over here on the top and then choose See All Settings. Alright, and navigate straight to the horizontal submenu labeled Forwarding, this one Forwarding and POP, etc. And then click the top button cell explicitly titled Add a Forwarding Address. Right here, as you can see, it's a button. Click on it. And then now Google forces a strict verification loop to prevent unauthorized data harvesting. So just click on Next. Just provide the new forwarding email address that you want. After that, click Proceed. And on the system warning pop-up box, and open a separate Alright, after that, just click Next, click Proceed on the system warning pop-up box and open a separate browser tab logged into your new destination address. Then you just locate the automated confirmation message from Google Team, copy the numeric verification token key, and paste it right back into your original account's settings panel. And also, crucial step, don't exit yet. Check the radio button next to forward a copy of incoming mail to, and click Save Changes at the absolute bottom of the canvas. And then when you hit save, a bright pink warning banner will drop down over your inbox confirming the data redirect is live. So this is the button and now you know the procedure. That is it for this one guys. Enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe.